You're asking yourself, what the hell is this? This is the introduction to a new series I'm going to be doing, which is going to be tutorials on XSplit Broadcaster. Now, I'm not being paid by XSplit Broadcaster or sponsored. It is just simply an app which I've grown to love over the last 6 months. This whole scene was created with XSplit Broadcaster, and it took 15 minutes. 15 minutes to do all this, including the special effects and everything else. I'm going to teach you how to do that. What will you need? You will need, obviously, XSplit Broadcaster. It is a one-off payment app, which is rare, promise you. There are not many out there where you just have to pay once and it's yours, right? I think there's a trial version. I'll put some details on text in a minute of prices, etc. It would be helpful if you had a green screen of some sort, but you can do it with any sort of plain background wall. Yeah, but we'll talk about the lighting and the backgrounds and all that sort of stuff as we go. What I promise to do is have very short shows, starting at the beginning, but they'll be interesting, I promise you. Each one you will learn something new and you'll be able to do it there and then. All I ask in return is, if you can, consider subscribing, please, because I'm a new channel, could do with the support, and I'll see you on the journey as we go. That's it. I'm going back. I've got a coffee, in fact. I'm being boring. I'm in a pub and I've got a coffee. Maybe later I'll have a pint with you. All right. I'll see you soon. Look forward to meeting you. Ciao for now.